You'll have to mind any screaming of the birds and random from my controller because I'm playing video games because I'm still a child. And my bird's copying me. I haven't posted much throat singing stuff since I've been at camp. I'm home now, so I'm gonna do some of that and get copied by both of the birds. Well, I teach them to start throat singing. That'll be really fun. Have a little trio going on. You two done now? No? You keep going? Okay. It's been a minute. What? What are you freaking out for? I'm also not like sitting up. I'm kind of like back in this chair, so there's a bit of that take into consideration. At least that I've noticed, it's something you kind of gotta be like upright for. I'm trying not to force it, because for one, it hurts when you do that. For two, it's wrong. And three, it just sounds really bad. But the higher range stuff is like also really fun to do, because it's you can feel just the what's the word for it, like the resonance of it, which is always nice and comforting. So very fun. I'm gonna call it for this one.